How to get $60 AliExpress promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in AliExpress promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for AliExpress. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $25 off, $8 off, $12 off, and many more. Just scroll and check. Then you can head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here is the code. You can copy it. Then click on Redeem at AliExpress. You'll be directed to the official website of AliExpress. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, because in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Also, check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for AliExpress. Well, this way you can easily get up to $60 AliExpress promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.